Hi guys! Today we will talk about how to get Robux using Sweatcoin. So first of all, unlock your phone and open the Sweatcoin app. Once you open it, you'll see your daily steps and balance on the main screen. From here, we need to go to the rewards section where all offers are shown. Now look at the bottom left side of your screen and tap on the rewards option. This is where Sweatcoin shows different offers, gift cards, and redeemable items. Inside rewards, you may see different options like buy or gift cards. If available, tap on it. Here you will find different redeemable rewards that you can use indirectly for Robux. Now choose a gift card option that is available in your region. You cannot directly get Robux from Sweatcoin, but you can redeem gift cards and use them to buy Robux from Roblox. After selecting the gift card, tap on Redeem. You will get a claim code or voucher. Copy that code carefully because you will use it in a Roblox or the related store to get a Robux. Now go to Roblox redeem page and enter your code there. Once you submit it, your reward will be added and you can use it for Roblox purchases. This is the safest and real method, not any fake free Roblox trick. So that's how you can indirectly get Robux using Sweatcoin through gift cards and redeem codes. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment if you want more safe earning methods and Roblox tips.